I'm Phil.
And I'm Angelina.
With our husky lightning and a lot of wildlife around us, we live in this fairy tale chateau in France.
We love bringing this neglected castle back to life inside.
And we've got the vast grounds and parkland to take care of as well.
We love the moat, but it brings some challenges with it.
But it's all worth it when we get to share it with everyone at our live music events.
Follow the ups and downs of our chateau life.
Right, it's an early start today, and I've got to go from here to Chateau du Bailleul to pick up Billy, hitch up a trailer, and then drive all the way to Bordeaux with that trailer to Chateau de Gorce to Ed and Anna, and then all the way back from there with a different trailer. It's going to be a long day and a bit. So let's get started, because it's a beautiful morning.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night.
He's actually sat out the front. It's not like he was in
When I close my eyes, I see beauty.
You didn't think I'd actually be on time, did you?
I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say
Look it up.
that beauty lives in me too.
We have stopped in a beautiful location. The sun is shining. You think the day is going fantastically well. But we haven't stopped for a spot of lunch, especially as it's about 10 a.m. Nor have we stopped because we wanted to take in the sights. We stopped because the tyre on the trailer's exploded. Oh well. So there was a sort of a tyre place, a big chain tyre place, only 11 minutes down the road. So we gently went down the road. It's a four-wheel trailer, so there's no weight on that one. So we just sort of snuck down the road, and now we're going to see if they're in stock. But being France, it's extremely unlikely. So I'm not really sure what we're going to do at this point about that. We shall soon see. Billy's in the office now.
Yeah, that's dead.
There's more bad news. The car's now just gone past 100,000 miles. It's not going well today. We are at the next tyre place with about 7 minutes to spare till lunch. I haven't had any issues getting here, although the tyre really can't go any further, so we're not sure what we're going to do if they don't have one in stock or cannot get one today. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. But I want to just say this for the general public. I hate this trailer. This is not the first time this exact trailer has been a complete pain in the backside to me. Every time I've had anything to do with this trailer, it has caused issues. Just wanted to say that out loud for everyone to know, so it's on the record. I don't like this trailer. Right, sit rep. I left my house at about 7:30 this morning, and it was going to be a 5.5 hour journey to Le Gorce. It's now 12:30. And it is still a 5.25 hour journey from where we are to Le Gorce.
4 new tyres ordered, €390, and the trailer is staying here for a couple of days. So next week I think we've got to pick it up. Well, yeah, you have to help me pick it up.
Oh, okay.
I don't have a tow bar.
Oh, God. All right, come on then.
I look out across the water, I smell the song, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home.
Just look where I have woken up today and the amazing view. Just look at my bed. Isn't that so cool? It really is. And it's got a cracking view. Just look at this. For the view this morning where I've woken up. Beautiful, isn't it? All the vines there. Crisp morning. I can't wait to go outside.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
Right, we are down in Bordeaux, and the reason for the trip is to get the trailer. That's why I brought Billy down, and we're just gonna hook it all up. Charles, I'm really bad at reversing, and I won't see you. Careful.
Another inch or two? That can't go in. That's it. It's definitely in, mate.
As far as we can go, it's 12 o'clock because the law in France is lunchtime. Everything closes, work stops.
Yeah, time for a beer.
I don't want to go.
You don't have to go, Phil.
Yeah, you're not taking my car. I've seen what you do to Range Rovers.
No, he'll behave this time.
What I want, so when Ed's finished with this, if he can just build this for me, just around a lake.
Around the lake?
Yeah, in the north. Right, what's going on?
I'm just checking the brake lights. So this one is working, but as you can see, if we keep driving, the plastic's going to fall off. So let's put it on properly.
Is this an Ed special?
This is an Ed special, yeah. Needs a bit of a clean as well, doesn't it? It's been longer than a lorry.
I'll send you a postcard from the Range Rover. All right, shall we get back on the road?
Yeah, back on the road, mate, yeah.
We've got 6 hours or something ahead. We've stopped for a break, and look how stupidly long this is. I've actually taken up 4 spaces and had to park curved through it. It's still overhanging.
We're driving a 10-wheeler.
Right, snacks. We've collected our necessary road trip equipment. Lots of coffee, which should be good, but Billy's got to fix the trailer.
We can't be having that.
It's not like one of your trailers needs fixing on our road trips, Billy?
Nope, never. There we go. There we go. Done it.
One of the easier things. Yes.
Fixed. Check the other one.
Guess where we are? Outside another DIY shop, because we're buying more tools for more problems with the trailer. Because nothing with Billy and a trailer is ever simple.
That needs air on.
And now we need air as well. Here is the problem. Basically, this has sat around for quite some time and we haven't really thought about this properly. That and that, grease.
Needs grease badly. Okay, that's there.
So basically, these grease nipples are for the piston, which operates the brakes on the trailer. It's all sticking a bit, which we found as one of the brakes locked up as we approached a roundabout a minute ago, and then didn't want to unseize. So, another bricko, grease gun. Life will be.
That one or the metal one?
That one, the one that's on it. It's perfect. You know you're in trouble when you're asking me for advice. Right, let's get this done. Have you done it?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I've got to hold it on.
I'll do it.
You gonna do this?
I'm gonna do it. It's working.
Whose fault is this, Billy?
Yours.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.